Hey, this is Adam Shelton, and welcome to the YouTube channel today. And today is Valentine's Day. Let's talk about it. Valentine's Day, how you can make money online using Valentine's Day. How you can make money online with Valentine's Day. You want to pay attention to this message because I cannot wait to share this message with you. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and it's that time. Let's talk about it. Valentine's Day. How you can make money online with Valentine's Day. Now, if you are a business owner and you just started out a business, let's say you just started out a business, you don't have a business, or if you're not making any money online with your business, click on the link below to get signed up and get started so you can finally learn how to make money online, be part of our beautiful community, and learn the skill sets that you can make money online. That's the first thing I want you to do, is click on that link below there. The first thing, actually, that's my second thing. The first thing is Happy Valentine's Day. Second thing, click on that link below so you can go ahead and get signed up and you can start learning the skill sets of making money online. And I will give you a bonus when you sign up. When you sign up, I will definitely give you a bonus to help you get started on your journey of making money online. That's the second thing. Here's the things that I think you can do if you're a business owner or if you're a struggling business owner that you can do to really get people excited about your business or services. You can use holidays like Valentine's Day. Now, take care of your loved ones first. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones first before you do anything. I'm telling you that right now. But your next thing you can do is that on Valentine's Day, I'm going to give you two things that you can do. Do some type of bonuses with Valentine's Day. Now, if you have a business or services, offer a bonus, a one-time bonus to give value and content back to your customer, your prospects, your new customers, your existing customers. Give some type of bonus you can give to help them out to solve their problem. That's something you definitely can do. So a bonus, I would say use that first that you can do. The second thing you can do some type of giveaway. Give something away. The first 10 minutes free coaching services. The first 10 people will give my ebook that I'm giving out. Use a bonus of services that can really help somebody else out. Because I really believe that is the key of helping people, is giving things away, and then in return, they're going to give you something back in return. You can say something like, okay, my first 10 minutes is a free service, and then that next thing is that they can upgrade for a percentage off, one-time offer with Valentine's Day. So use those type of promos to really help your business. Just like today, if you don't have a business, or if you have an existing business, or if you're not making any money online, I'm telling you to click the link below. You'll sign up, you'll put your information in, you'll go all in into my opportunity, and I'll give you a bonus for signing up. That is my Valentine special. When you sign up and you take action, I'm going to give you a bonus. And this bonus will help you with terms of getting you results with your business that you decide to join with us. I'm being honest with you. So that's my bonus for you on this Valentine's Day. So you see how I use the bonuses to get your attention and to reward you, because it's Valentine's Day. I want to show you the love, and I want to help you if you're not making money online, or you don't have a business and you want to make money online, or if you have an existing business and you're struggling. Well, I have something that can help you solve your problem today on Valentine's Day. So click on the link below to get started with that. So you can use bonuses and you can use giveaway to really help customers solve any issues that they have, or an issue that you can solve. Let's put it that way. So those are two things you definitely can do. Now, a bonus, number 3 thing, I'm giving you another bonus you can do, is that, Valentine's Day is about giving love and things like that. Why not reach out to people, or if you have an email list, or if you have another way of reaching out, why don't you reach out to them and just start asking them, what can I do for you to help you today? What can I do? Because here's the thing. You may have something else that you're not offering your bonuses that just basically by asking them, hey, what can I help you to be a better person today? What can I help you to get your first result of the day? Just basically just asking the question, hey, it's Valentine's Day. What can I do to help you smile today? What can I help you do to help you get in a result in your business today? So you can go above and beyond just by asking the question, hey, what do you need for me to help you that I can do for you to help you? So it could be just that simple, just asking the question. So that's keeping it simple, because we keep it simple here on these videos. So I'm Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this, and happy Valentine's Day, because it's a special day and you're special here today. I'm Adam Shelton, and welcome. Thank you for watching the video. Click on the link below to get started with the business. That can go ahead and you can start the journey of making money online. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Happy Valentine's Day, and today is your special day. Have a good day.